August 8th, Saturday. Very hot day today. I'm going to visit this botanic garden for the very first time. Shanghai Chenshan Botanic Garden, Gate 3. Buddha tree. It was said that Buddha became enlightened under this type of a tree in India. Today's Nepal. palm tree. I know this one. This palm tree is huge. Coconut. Coconut. What a contrast. Old Chinese pagoda on top of the hill and very modern greenhouse to the right. This is pretty amazing. It's the mountain with a big lake under, and there was a tunnel going all the way down to the lake, but under renovation, so we can only see from observation deck over here. Water lily, one of the very few plants I know of. Now I find the way up to the hill. It turned out this hill named Chenshan. You know, this botanic garden is called Shanghai Chenshan Botanic Garden. So it's the name of the mountain. It's only 71.4 meter tall. You know, Shanghai, it's very flat. The tallest peak in Shanghai area, Great Shanghai area, is about 100 meters. It's really flat. So let's try. Let's go to the top. I think it will be exhausting under this hot weather. About a 5 minutes walk. Now I'm up on the hill. I can see the pagoda. I thought I could get a bird's eye view of the entire plant, but there is no such a thing. It's all covered up by trees and flowers. On the way to the ground. It's stairs like this.